Right now I'm standing in Bhiwandi city, and the road behind me, you can see that this road particularly leads to a main area called Dhamankar Naka. But see the condition of this particular road. You can see that there is a stretch of potholes. The road is totally rough. It is not even smooth, and how difficult it is for the motorists, you can see, to just ride through this road. It becomes very difficult for two-wheeler, four-wheeler to ride through this road, because everywhere you can see at this particular road. I'll ask my camera son Kalpesh to show you both the sides of the road. You can see that the potholes are there. The road is completely rough, and some shoddy work must have done earlier to fill these potholes. You can see that how difficult it is for any biker or any motorist. And imagine that when it rains heavily, or when these potholes are filled with the rainwater, it becomes very difficult for any person to see. आप मुझे बताइए, ये गड्ढे इतने रास्ते पे है. 2 दिन पहले ही भिवंडी में एक औरत और उसका लड़का जो बाइक पे जा रहे थे, उनकी मौत हुई. क्या लगता है आपको, ये ऐसी ही रहती स्थिति?
ये भिवंडी का ऐसी स्थिति है, कोई ध्यान देता नहीं है. आदमी मरो कोई, उनको कुछ लेना देना नहीं है, क्योंकि खड्डे में इतने खड्डे है कि पूछो मत. क्या बोलेंगे, अभी बहुत सा एक्सीडेंट हो रहे इधर. ठीक है, अभी क्या करेंगे, ये लोग इधर का सिस्टम भी बराबर नहीं है.
लेकिन भिवंडी के मतलब शहर में सभी जगह पे ऐसे है या कुछ ही जगह पे रहते हैं?
सभी जगह पे ऐसा है. इधर नहीं ऐसा अच्छा बोल नहीं सकते कि इधर अच्छा है ऐसा.
तो नगर पालिका कुछ नहीं करती
अभी तक कुछ, वो तुम सामने देख रहे हो ना. फिर
So that's the answer we are getting for the resident, that they are saying that you can clearly see in the visuals that what the corporation has done or what the corporation is doing. I'll again show you that as I was talking, that some shoddy work they must have done earlier. You can see what material they have used, and it is coming easily out. See, it is coming easily out. See, this is a patchwork. You can see they must have done few days back to fill these potholes or to repair the road. But this is the material. There is no cement, or there is no solid substance which they have used basically to which can hold the material which has been used to repair the road or fill the potholes. So this is the condition from the Bhiwandi, because just 2 days back, mother and son died after their vehicle, their two-wheeler, hit the pothole, and they were run over by a speeding vehicle. But as I said continuously, and we are reporting on these killer potholes, that the authorities, after these such kind of horrific accidents, they have not learned any kind of lessons. And you can see this is the proof of that in Bhiwandi, the road which leads to the main area, on both the sides of the road you can see a stretch of potholes, and this is the proof that what kind of work the authorities are doing here, and they have no control over it, because this pothole could be the next killer pothole, and one person or anyone can lose their life. And if that should not happen, then authorities need to be serious, and they should repair these potholes and fill these potholes. This is Mahiresh Ganpate reporting from Bhiwandi with camera person Kalpesh for Mirror Now.